Dito na naman ako sa opisina. Opisina, bahay na pala, bahay. Ah, mga kumakantsaw-kantsaw dyan. Katapos ko lang kumain kaya lumubo. Lumubo ba? O... See, dati ito dito sa ilalim, laylay yan, malaki. Ngayon, tumitigas pati siya, tumitigas siya. It's getting harder because of this machine. It's very interesting, like this machine has the PEMF until first. That's why all those butete, those has a stubborn belly. You need this. I'm telling you. I will not stop until I reach my goal. See? My stubborn belly. See, did you notice the light inside? It's red. It's hot. So that's where that burning fat functions. You could feel it inside. So it will burn. After this 20 minutes here, I will put it at the back, and it will help the back pain. If you have a lower back pain, it will help a lot. See, even this, there's also a heat coming because there's something in this side as well, both sides. All right. Sorry. Dun sa mga kaibigan ko, bantayan nyo, bantay, tingnan nyo lang. Panalo to. Okay, today Saturday, I'm home. Tomorrow ulit. Litak-litakin natin.